and it doesn't rule out free will. And you study genetics, same thing. And you study fetal environment, and you study the evolution of behavior, and none of them on its own rule out free will, but put all the pieces, and there's simply no room in there. And it's not because, the shortcoming in one discipline, the hole in one discipline is plugged up by some other discipline. The answer is that you put all of those together, and they're one discipline. Like, for example, if you're talking about what genes have to do with behavior, by definition, you're talking about millions of years of evolution of genes. And by definition, you're talking about what sort of womb you spent 9 months in, because that had a ton to do with the regulation of genes for your entire life. And you're also talking about what was going on in your brain this morning at breakfast in terms of what genes were active making which proteins. And it forms this big arch of causality, of biology interacting environmental. And when you see one discipline flowing into the next, in terms of sort of this matrix of explanation, there's not a crack in that edifice in which you could shoehorn in free will, because all of the versions of shoehorning in say at some point, you get to break all the rules. You get to have magic.